folks, this is Robert, Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. Figured I'd get on here and tell you today's the day. I'm going to go and do my HEB meat haul today. I'm all excited. It's the first time I've ever been in an HEB. Went on there this morning, made my list on the app. So hopefully I get some good deals. I'm going to pick up my buddy and stuff, and we're going to go to HEB and see if we can find us some good meat deals. So, but when I get back and everything, I'm going to show you what I got, do a video on what I got and everything, and stuff. So I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping I'm going to get some good deals. Also going to get some other stuff, groceries as well, but my main goal is to get some good meat deals. Don't know if I'm going to get a brisket. I'm going to talk to my buddy, see what he thinks, and if we get a good price on a brisket, we might get a brisket. But excuse me, I'm looking to get a chuck roast to do a pulled beef sandwich on my pit boss, and I'm also looking at getting some pork butts, and either to make a pulled pork or to make cut some more steaks. Seems like when you do it yourself, you get a good deal on some pork butts, and you cut them yourself. You come out a long ways ahead by doing that, and saving you a ton of money, because those to have them pre-cut, they put a hellacious price on it, and stuff. So anyway, and I'm gonna try to give me some link sausage, some Savoy's link sausage and stuff like that. Might make me some pig shots or something with that, with some cream cheese and bacon. I've got some bacon at the house, but like I said, if I come across a good deal on some bacon, I'll get some more. Also got a pork belly at the house, and eventually I'm probably going to try to make some more homemade bacon. But this time I'm thinking about getting me one of those meat slicers, because it just when you cut it with a knife, it's real thick, and I'd rather be able to find me a reasonable priced meat slicer and be able to cut them thinner, because I don't really like a thick cut piece of bacon. I never cared for it. So, but anyway, so I figured I'd just come on here and do a little video today on what I'm going to do, and little YouTube short. I'm slowly but surely getting back into my videos on YouTube, and then I'll make another short and show you what I got and everything. So till then, y'all take care, stay safe, see you on the flip side. Got some tilapia fillets. I got spiral ham, some beef cutlets to make steak fingers, fried steak fingers, a pork butt, a chuck roast. Pretty good haul today. Decided to get our steaks from somewhere else, so that's what I come up with. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.